Good morning guys. For today's video, we'll teach you how to check an aircon through a remote control. This is Daikin aircon. All you need to do to check is to press cancel button, long press, and wait for a few seconds. When you hear that beep, you look for the remote 00 and then press the cancel one at a time. You see the remote, there's an error code and you have to listen the beep sound. It's transmission. If there's error, it will beep rapidly. So far guys, there's no error in this aircon. I just demonstrating the way how to check. Bye bye.